Today I'm going to teach you how to get more carpet cleaning customers without wasting money on Yelp or HomeAdvisor. But first, my name is Reuben with SearchParty Marketing. We help carpet cleaners win more customers. Hit subscribe on this channel if you want to win more customers for your carpet cleaning business. Back to today's topic. If you think back 15 or 20 years ago, how did customers find a carpet cleaner when they needed one? They picked up their copy of the Yellow Pages and they'd flip through to the C's section, they'd find a carpet cleaner, they'd call that carpet cleaner and they'd book an appointment. That's how it used to happen. These days, people are not using the Yellow Pages. As a matter of fact, they're not even printing these books anymore. So what are people using? They're using the internet. They're using Google. And while you have an opportunity to buy leads or buy customers from a lot of companies these days, like Angie's List or HomeAdvisor or Yelp, you can actually win customers yourself if you go direct to the source, which these days is Google. So I'm going to switch over to a screen share and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So let's switch over to my computer. I'll show you a screen share of how Google works for carpet cleaners and how you can win some customers there. So when a customer goes to Google to search for a carpet cleaner, they may use their smartphone or their tablet or their computer. I'm going to do it on a computer, but they're typing in things like carpet cleaner near me, or they might be using the city that you're in. They might type in the city name. So we'll type in Milwaukee carpet cleaning. I'm in Milwaukee, Wisconsin right now. This is kind of what your average customer is going to see when they search for a carpet cleaner on Google. Across the top, you've got a couple of ads from local carpet cleaners. They're running ads here. You've also got what's called the Google Maps 3-pack, the Google Maps section. You have a couple local businesses showing up in that section as well. So the customer might pick one of these companies, or they might scroll down further and see what's called the organic listings on Google. Organic listings, organic results, these are websites that Google thinks are the best match for whatever the customer searched for. In this case, the customer searched for Milwaukee carpet cleaning. These are the best websites Google thinks they can show to that potential carpet cleaning customer. And you're going to see a mix of local businesses. You're going to see things like Angie's List, Yelp, Groupon. They've got the best 10 carpet cleaners in Milwaukee, the top 10 best carpet cleaners in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Yelp and HomeAdvisor, basically their whole game is getting on the first page of Google and getting customers to request a quote from them instead of from a local business like you. And this is not unique to Milwaukee. If you search for a carpet cleaner in pretty much any city in the United States, you're going to find Yelp, HomeAdvisor, Angie's List, Groupon, all these companies showing up on the first page of Google, and all they're doing is wedging themselves between a local customer and a local business. And what they do is they get the customer to request a quote through Yelp or through HomeAdvisor or through Angie's List, and then those companies turn around and sell the customer's information to you, the local business. In fact, they might sell that same customer's information to 4 or 5 local companies and let you guys all fight it out to see who can win the job. So imagine if you're in the customer's shoes, suddenly, you put in a quote request on HomeAdvisor and you've got 5 carpet cleaners calling you at the same time, all trying to win the job, all trying to get booked. It can be a nightmare for the customer. And as a carpet cleaner, it's even worse. You're spending money on these leads and you're having to chase these leads down and try to win these customers. Well, at the end of the day, if you could show up on the first page of Google instead of Angie's List, instead of Yelp, instead of HomeAdvisor, then you'd be winning these customers directly and you wouldn't have to work with these other companies at all. So that's what I wanted to show you today, is that if you want to win carpet cleaning customers from Google, you really need to show up on this first page of results. Nobody's really scrolling or clicking to the second page of results. They're all finding the carpet cleaning company they're looking for on the first page of results. Most people assume Google is going to show them their best stuff on the first page. So your average customer is going to pick one of the companies on the first page here, and they're going to hire that company. If your company's not showing up on the first page of Google, you don't even stand a chance. So that's what I want to show you today. Yelp, Angie's List, they're just playing the first page of Google game, and you could play that game as well. So in the next couple videos, I'm going to show you how you can start to do that. I'm going to show you how you can start to get traffic from Google for your carpet cleaning business. If you need help with this stuff, head over to GoSearchParty.com. And in the comments section today, let me know what questions you have about winning customers. Are you having any problems winning customers on the internet for your carpet cleaning business? Let me know what questions you have in the comments section and I'll be sure to respond to you. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can start to get traffic from Google for your carpet cleaning business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I'm going to talk a lot about winning carpet cleaning customers on this channel, so make sure you subscribe to get the latest videos. My name's Reuben with SearchParty Marketing. Thanks for watching.